Hey everybody, Grillin' Game and Boomer here. Got a little DIY project for you. It is the Puppet Theater, perfect for grandchildren, and it is very inexpensive to do. Okay, let me start by telling you what we got going here. Cardboard box. We ordered something from Amazon, and this was the perfect size, not quite 4 feet tall. First thing you need to do is make a few cuts. Just use a box cutter. Cut across the seams in the back on the top, down the seams in back, and take the back off. Cut the bottom off. Fold up the top and cut a point out of it, so that for the top of the theater. The sides will then open up like partitions to help support it. Then, in addition, cut some triangles out of the extra piece and put some slits in them. Slide them up the box and they serve as supports for the theater so it stays steady. Right? Next step, a few things from Walmart. This was very inexpensive. I think we spent a total of maybe 10 bucks on this. We bought some spray paint. I had a little bit of tape. We spray painted the background red, just laid out over some plastic and sprayed it. After that dried, we sprayed a little bit of white on the dome and also on the supports. The stage floor was just a piece of cardboard we cut out of the back. We taped it on after spray painting it black. Black electrician style tape for the trim. And then in the craft section at Walmart, we picked up a pony and a fox, some stars, and the letters for the theater, and we'll have our granddaughter's name across the top. All of it very, very inexpensive. The last piece was a dowel. We punched some holes in the partitions, slid the dowel through for some extra support. And then we took some red tissue from last Christmas, folded it over and taped it like a curtain in back, with a little bit of electrician's tape on the bottom for weight to keep it down. The whole thing, we got it done very quickly, very inexpensively, and we love it. We hope she does. I'm gonna say goodbye right now, but don't go anywhere. We have somebody else that wants to say bye. Hi everybody, it's Winnie the Pooh, here to say hi from the Puppet Theater. Oh, there's our friend Zoe. Yes, it's a great little theater. Your grandkids will love it. All right, everybody, bye-bye.